Let's make our own eyeglasses. Sabae area in Fukui Prefecture is known as the eyewear capital of Japan, with about 90% of made in Japan eyeglasses manufactured in the region. The eyewear industry spread to Fukui about 100 years ago as a side business for farmers. By the beginning of the Showa era, it had spread to Sabae, and the region had become the largest eyeglasses frames producer in Japan. When visiting Sabae city, you'll see many eyeglasses-shaped monuments, creating delightful sights all across the city. To learn even more about this industry and the history of Japanese-made eyewear, visit the Megane Museum on Megane Street. You'll see a collection of beautiful antique glasses frames from the Edo and Meiji periods, as well as the instruments originally used to manufacture them. And in the shop, you'll find adorable eyeglasses-shaped goodies and accessories. The museum also an optician store with thousands of stylish frames made in Fukui. But if you want a really unique pair of glasses, the best way is to make them yourself. And you can do that in the museum's workshop. The staff will first take your head measurements, and you'll get to choose the frame and branches from a large selection of shapes, colors, and patterns. A professional will then guide you through all the steps to shape the frame and branches. Cutting, filing, sanding, and polishing. It's quite the workout, but the results are amazing. Artisans will then add the finishing touches, like the screws holding the frame and branches together, and will then send it to you a few weeks later. And here you go! A brand new pair of glasses, 100% made in your style. Another fun workshop to try out is the Collage with Glasses activity. Use some tiny decorations made from spare frame components to create cute and original accessories. For more information, consult the Glasses Museum's website, link in description. However, be careful, this activity is only available in Japanese. A guide interpreter is required to cater for other languages. When filling out the application form, you can also choose several options, such as engraving a message on the branches. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about Fukui Prefecture's many wonders, follow us at Experience Fukui on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. See you next time!